Hello and welcome. My name is Eric Boscha. I am the product manager for low vision devices at HumanWare. In today's little tutorial, I will be talking about a new feature that is offered in version 1.1 on your Reveal16. When using the distance camera, it is now possible to freeze the image at distance. So let's say we're using the camera for distance viewing, and let's say I'm going to zoom into about 3x, and I'd like to freeze this image. You can do so by clicking on the lock button. A lock will show up on the top right corner of the screen. In this mode, the image is frozen. You cannot zoom in and you cannot change the contrast colors. If you want to zoom in or change the contrast colors, you can do so by clicking the lock button again. This will unfreeze the image and the zoom can be changed and the contrast colors can also be changed. You want to freeze again the image, just click the lock button. This will freeze the image again. Thank you for listening.